Osan has two pools, the Mustang across from the hospital and the Defender behind the gym. Since they're empty during the winter months, it seemed a good time to take care of some needed maintenance. During the summer months, it's the 51st Civil Engineering Squadron that handles the routine pool maintenance, things such as chlorination and filter changes. This project, however, was too involved, so they called in private contractors. The 4.5-month project started December 29th and cost $391,000. Senior Master Sergeant Ken Hilliard, the Chief of Construction Management, explains the work being performed.
Well, the main thrust of the project is to fix the piping system and some of the filtration systems, so that's where most of the work is going into it. Of course, to do that, we had to break out the concrete deck and do some work inside the pool. So at the same time while we're doing this work, we're going to be installing a brand new deck up above, and inside the pool we're going to be putting a 2-inch concrete cap in there and water sealing, putting new paint down on the bottom, new reflectors and lane guards at the same time also.
Construction should end May 20th, just in time for the scheduled Memorial Weekend grand opening. From Osan, I'm Sergeant J.D. Harrington, AFKN News.